Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. Okay, so how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an healthy drink that would actually help you to get uniform color. Yeah, you can see my whole body plus my face. Yeah, and it's actually very healthy, okay, because it's going to work from the inside out. Now the thing is that the body is just like when you eat healthy, you are going to be looking healthy. So this drink is a healthy drink that would make you glow and, you know, give you that uniform complexion. Okay, so why not give it a go? Okay guys, so let me take you right into the video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let's go. Have a younger you guys. We're gonna be needing this, and this is watermelon. Okay, we're gonna be needing some watermelon. Okay, so since watermelon contains 90% of water in here, it is very ideal for the body. Now when you actually consume it, it's great for your skin. It glows your skin, because you know what the trick about the skin is that what you actually take inside is actually what is going to reflect on the outside. Okay, so how healthy you are from the inside shows how healthy you are going to be looking from the outside. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. Okay, so after that, I'm actually not going to be putting any water to blend this, because the watermelon itself contains a whole lot of water. Okay, so after that's done, we are going to be sieving this out. Okay, so here I have my watermelon juice. I'm going to be keeping that aside. Okay guys, so we're also going to be needing to use some orange. Now orange contains a whole lot of vitamin C, which is very vital for the skin. It helps the skin glow and it makes you look super bright, glowing and beautiful. So you can actually use as much orange as you can actually lay your hand on, but for me I'm gonna be using just one orange juice. Okay, so our orange juice is sieved, strained, and I'm gonna be sieving it out equally. Then also we're going to be making use of carrot. Now, taking carrots is actually very ideal because it actually makes your skin super duper glowing and it makes you look really young. Like, I love this particular drink because it's just everything. It is that. Have to transfer that into a bowl. Now I have to cut it so that it will be very easy to blend out. Yeah. Now I'll okay guys, so this is it. And now I would have to be straining the carrot juice out equally. Okay, my carrot juice is juiced out, and going to also be needing some apple. Okay, to have that glow, to look beautiful and to have that uniform complexion, you need this goodness. Okay, so I have a little cut of apple. Yeah, so I'm gonna be blend. So also be sieving that out. Now in all of this juice guys, in all of those fruits, you can actually decide not to squeeze them out and take all of the goodness, all of the fiber. Okay, oh, this is the apple, the carrots, the watermelon, the orange, and we're going to be needing some turmeric. Now I have fresh turmeric, but the problem is when I blend fresh turmeric, it's just gonna stain everywhere, so I'd rather use the dry turmeric. Just a little of that. So this is the orange, and I'm gonna be turning in the carrots. I'll also turn in the watermelon. Then I'll turn in the apple. Now I'll add just a little bit of, very little bit of turmeric. And then we would stir this all up together very well. And this is amazingly beautiful, and drink this every day for a younger skin, uniform skin, a glowing skin, and a more radiant and more beautiful complexion. Yeah, okay, let me have a taste. This is so yummy, and it tastes really great. It tastes really nice. I'm loving it. It is so nice. It tastes really good. Go try this out and have your skin looking looking beautiful. Yeah, it is actually super duper amazing and beautiful, and I love it. Okay, it works like wow, and it is also healthy and it tastes great also. Okay, so you can actually decide to blend everything together, but my blender is actually small. That's why I'm blending this one after the other. Okay, so that's it. I hope you do find this video interesting. Please do thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.